How to delete search history on YouTube app. Launch YouTube and make sure you sign in. Now navigate to search icon at top right and these are all your search history. To delete this, navigate to profile at bottom right and select gear icon at top right. Scroll down. Now look for manage all history option and now scroll down. So these are all your search history. You can easily tap on the delete bar at top of your screen and then select delete all time from this menu. And now you need to confirm by tapping on delete button at bottom right corner and tap on got it. And you simply need to head towards YouTube app. And now you need to refresh the feed. Now tap the search icon at top right corner and you can see that we have successfully deleted all the search history on YouTube app. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.